2021 will be a pivotal year for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, what do you think about that? Pivotal in what way?
Yeah, I kind of chuckled at that one because I've almost been doing this for 2 decades. Like, how long have we been hearing like it's the year of AI and machine learning? I mean, I remember going to hymns many, many years ago, and so I don't mean to be cynical, but I mean it's always been top of mind. I think what's interesting now is that it's I don't want to say like commoditized, maybe democratized, where health systems themselves, as we talk to them, are saying, "Oh, we've hired data scientists, like we've hired PhD data scientists that are helping us build this and that for social determinants of health," or and you didn't hear that like 3 or 4 years ago. So I think that to that point, then yes, obviously the prediction is accurate that if anything, just the inequities that we've seen and our inability to capture that information. I mean, 80% of that is like narrative information, non-structured in an EHR, right? Like, how do we even know someone's social situation? And then more importantly, how do we, reach out to them? So I think, yeah, I think it's just it's more widely accepted now that there's a role for it in health systems. And then in life science and pharma, my gosh, trying to crank out a vaccine, right, in 3 to 4 months. If you don't have a strong AI machine learning play in your R&D acceleration, if you don't have high performance computing infrastructure to support it, then you're behind the times. And we saw how that played out with the organizations that kind of won that race.
Yeah, I would say in addition to that, I would say the other area we'll see this is RPA, robotic process automation. We'll see back office systems. We'll see more IT systems, security, machine learning, and AI being layered in. So I think it is going to be a year that it sees significant growth in those areas. And the clinical side, it just has to move at the pace of safety, right? So you just have to be, it's almost like introducing a new drug. You can't just introduce new algorithms and say, hey, let's launch this and do that. But in the clinical setting, it will continue to go slow. In the research and development area, it can go fast. In the administrative side, it can go fast. So we'll see what happens.